Just a quick video demo of the ClickShare, which is this main unit here. We're using a 65-inch touchscreen, and here's the receiver. If we plug this into our laptop, excuse me doing this one-handed, you'll see the lights take about 5 to 10 seconds to go solid. As soon as the light is solid, you can press this button and that will connect your laptop to your main display. Sorry, I just clicked it again because I did it a bit too soon the first time. So as you can see, that's a copy of our laptop up our main display. And with this particular unit, we've got that hooked up with USB also. So you're actually getting the touchscreen capabilities if that's what you've got installed. So you can use the drag and drop highlighting, etc. on your screen. Sorry, you probably can't see me clicking around there. Or if you've got software that supports writing, it does also support the writing wirelessly. And that's the demonstration of the ClickShare with a laptop. No software required to get that dongle working on a USB laptop. And that's the ClickShare unit there. There's a few different options that we carry with single or multiple buttons, and also ones that support the cameras for a slightly higher cost if that's what you're looking for. All of the versions that are called C-10 or higher, this is a C-10, will support that touchscreen connectivity as you've seen there. AV King if you'd like more information on any of these products. Thank you.